Hey everybody, I hope everybody is doing fine and well today. I just wanted to come to you with a very quick video so I can show you what I got from Golem Beads. I participated in their online sale on Facebook recently and my beads have come in, and so I wanted to show you what I got. I got 9 sets. And so I just want to break them out for you. And if you decide you want to go buy them, you can. But I'll show you what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, check it out. First one, GS26 February 015. I don't know if it can be ordered again. I'm not sure. But that's the item number for this one. Here's the ceramic bead that came in a look at that. Each one of these I paid between $48 and $55. I don't have like a list, an invoice that came with it. I mean, a receipt that came with it, because all of that was done through PayPal. So I don't have it. But this is the number. Okay, these were the beads to go with. Here's a couple of pendants that came with. These are nice. They made it where it has like resin or something on the back. Aren't those pretty? Those would make some lovely earrings. I tell you, this color is like perfect for spring. Look at the pendant that came in. Oh, take a picture. What do you think? You like that? It's gorge. Absolutely gorge. You know what I want to do? Let me pause really quickly, and I'm going to get a container so that I can put these in a container as I'm taking them out. I don't have to put them back in the plastic. One sec. I'm back with you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take it in. I have the large container. I'm going to take that space out right there so that I could fit the large pendant in there. And then I'm going to put like the larger, I'm going to put this whole thing together. You know what? Let me take this one out. I don't want things smashed in there. You know, I want them all to fit in there nicely, right? Okay. And then I'm going to put that right on top. I think I'll do that for all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now I have space for all of them in my container. Okay. So my next one I'm going to do is going to be the GS26 Feb 018. And here we go. These are so pretty. These are rustic colors. These remind me of like the Arizona colors. Look at all the little hearts and the little bird there. Right? Rustic. Isn't that pretty? So I think what I'll end up doing, of course, the little ones always make me think of earrings. I don't know why. But I don't know if I'll explore something different or not. But right now, that's why I am. Look at the kitty cat. For all my cat lovers. Isn't that adorbs? Now this has like a little resin or porcelain or something over it. I don't know what that is. If you know, let me know. But it makes it shiny. So pretty with the golem stamp on the back, right? So I guess the birds and the cat can go together. So let's see if I were to make it a necklace. Would I do it like that? You know, I'd put something here and maybe put these on here like that. You know, put some beads in between. Isn't that cute? So adorable. I love it. Okay, so they go in the tray. And I'm very careful as I'm placing them so as not to chip anything. Okay. Okay. BS26 Feb 122. Okay, so we have like a little salmon color and a little lilac color. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. Let's see. Look at the pendant. Yeah. And a 70s baby. I truly like, right? So like there's any combination that one can come up with. You know, I don't know, maybe these two don't go, but these go, right? I don't know about these two because I kind of like them as earrings, but they could go like that. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Okay. I'll be very careful when I put them in there. Okay. GS26 Feb 020. Oh, that must be the date of the sale. No, it's not the date of the sale. Okay. Oh, 2026. Look at this pretty pendant. Gorgeous. I love it. All of them match. They're all the same color. I should have got two of these, but he only had one. But my goodness, isn't that pretty? So that can be the pendant. This could be the earrings. Oh, is that beautiful? I'm so lucky to have grabbed that. I'm so lucky. I feel really blessed in that. Because those colors are just marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. Okay, next we have more of the orange and yellow, that Arizona color, desert color. Isn't that pretty? Okay. And let's see what the pendant looks like. This one, put the shine on the back. I love how each one has the golem stamp on it. Oh my gosh. You have to ask yourself sometimes, is it worth it? And I'm going to answer that right now. Absolutely it is. Yes, it's worth it to me. Okay. Let's go here. Oh, colors. Look at these colors. Look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Look at the flowers. Beautiful. Let's see what this payment looks like. This time we have a donut. We have a golem stem and bam. Look. Earrings. Right? I need more of these kind. Like way more of these. Right? So I don't know. I don't know if they're available to just purchase. I have to go into the website and see how I can get like a plethora of those. If not, then I have to find another source and just get a whole bunch of just the round beads. And here we go. Okay. GS 26 Feb 13, 113. Look at that. A little dog in there. Yeah, on the camera, it kind of looks like it's orange, but it has more of a rust color, like a reddish rust color. Okay, see, this one has more of the orange. This one has more of the terracotta color, like this. And this has more of the orange, but a different kind of orange. Very pretty. Okay. Look at that. The sun. Now, these are all different. Go together nicely, but they're all different. So if this was yours, how would you work with it? Would you make these earrings or would you pair them with the charm for the necklace? This has the shiny on it. There's no shine whatsoever. Oh, well, there's some around the edge. Right? And this one has it. How would you do it? Oh, would you do like that? Like I keep doing the other ones, kind of like this. Okay. Would you pair them together? Or would you just do something different with those all together? Well, this has this color on the side. So maybe keeping these together. Yeah, maybe. I feel like I'm playing like a hand little game. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Lovely. These are all different for me, right? So I'm going to love working with them because I'll be doing something different. I'm going to save this one for last. That one's my favorite. Although they're all gorgeous, that one is my absolute favorite. Look at this purple. I love it. Love it. Yeah. These are definitely worth it. Like I said, I paid somewhere between $48 and $55. But I'm going to tell you they're absolutely worth it. Beautiful colors. And this color right here is interesting because I don't see anything with it, but it pairs so nicely. Like I don't see this color in this bead at all, you know, but it pairs so nicely. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it's larger. Mhm. Something like that. Drop like that. That. Oh, man, oh man, oh man. Oh, gorgeous. The back. This thing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Are you impressed yet? Okay. This is my favorite. Oh, I needed this in my life. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. You know, I sell my jewelry. I don't think this one is going to leave my possession. Here we go. GS26 Feb 007. Look at that. Blue apples. Oh, look at this color scheme. Red, white, and blue. Look at it. Oh, that's so pretty. If that's your favorite too, let me know. When you look at it, which one do you like? Look at that. This is definitely my favorite. That's like a little snake here. It's almost like it's the Garden of Eden, right? You got the apples and the tree. And you have the snake. There it is right there. Too. Goes right around there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I wish I had the skills to do that myself. I do not. But I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. Yeah. So if this is also your favorite, let me know. I'd be interested in knowing. Right? Because it's definitely mine. All right. That is the 9th set. This is how the bottom looks. That is the 9th set. I am so very happy about them. I have more coming. I haven't heard anything from Golem Beads as to when the rest of the items are that I requested are coming. I have no idea. But I'm so very thrilled to have what I have here. I'm going to turn it upside down because the lid is on it. But this is what I got. Zoom out. This is everything that I got. It's so pretty. I'm so very happy and thrilled to have it. And I'm quite impressed with everything I got here. Okay, so until next time, go out there, make something beautiful, and hopefully I'll have a beautiful design to show you in the very near future. Have a wonderful day.